Have you ever been in a situation where you change to a new cell phone and as you try to log in into your apps and email account your password doesn't work? Because you change it or maybe it's an old one. Furthermore, you just simply can't remember. This is the definition of digital chaos. Hi, my name is Alan Del Gallego, instructional designer, and I will be your instructor for the day. I have designed this course to teach you some tips and tricks that I have learned over the years in how keep organize and centralize my digital footprint on the internet. I will be talking to you the reason why, what to do, and more importantly what not to do. Also the relationship between the user and the password, and sometimes whenever it applies a PIN number. Put your house in order and get a peace of mind. At the end of the day you'll be happy to do so. Okay, let's dive in.